In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shorts from long form with Descript. This process is straightforward and incredibly efficient, thanks to the capabilities of Descript. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to import your long-form video into Descript. If you haven't already, open up Descript and create a new project. With your project open, simply drag and drop your long-form video file right into the project window. One of the great features of Descript is its ability to automatically transcribe the audio from your video into text, which will happen almost immediately after you import your file. This transcription is key because it allows you to easily navigate and pinpoint which sections of your video you want to turn into shorts. Now, let's utilize the AI Clip Maker. Navigate over to the Clips tab in Descript. Here, Descript's AI takes over and analyzes your video. It'll suggest short, engaging clips that are likely to captivate your audience. The suggestions are based on factors like viewer engagement and emotional impact, which can be incredibly helpful if you're unsure about where to start. However, you always have the flexibility to manually select the video segments you think would work best. You can do this by highlighting the desired text in the transcript that was created when you imported your video. Once you've highlighted a section, right-click your selection and choose Create Composition. This will generate a new project containing just that selected clip. It's a great way to ensure that your shorts capture the essence of your original content, while also making it bite-sized and engaging for viewers who appreciate quick, impactful videos. The next step is to edit and enhance your clip. Since you'll be making a short intended for platforms that typically display vertical videos, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the optimal format for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. As you work through your clip, trim any unnecessary parts to keep your content concise and to the point. Adding elements like captions, transitions, background music, or overlays can elevate your video further, making it more appealing. Always remember that the first few seconds are critical. Ensure there's a strong hook to grab viewers' attention right away. Finally, when you're satisfied with your edited clip, it's time to export and share it. Export your video in an appropriate format, such as MP4, to ensure the best quality across different platforms. When your video is ready, you're all set to upload it to your desired platform. Whether you're sharing it on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, your new short clip is crafted to entertain, inform, and engage your audience. And there you have it, a quick, simple process to take your long-form video and extract the highlights into engaging shorts, all with the help of Descript.